Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall programs on your Windows 7 computer. So without further ado, let's jump right into this. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu by left clicking on the Start button one time. Now you want to type in Uninstall. Underneath Control Panel, one of the best managers should say Uninstall a program. You want to left click on that. Now all of your applications are going to be listed in here. In order to delete an application, you just want to left click on it one time and then left click on this uninstall button right here, and then you just go through the on-screen instructions for whatever program you wish to uninstall. Every program is going to be a little bit different, but you guys understand that once you're on this page, just left click on the item itself, left click on the uninstall button, and then it'll walk you through how to remove the application from there. I would always recommend, as most applications do when you're finishing up the removal process, that if you want to completely remove it, you should restart your computer. I would recommend that you do that once you're done uninstalling it, and once you have restarted your computer, the application should be gone. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.